Someone showed up to the airport wearing combat boots, a giant hoodie, and shredded jeans. Looked cool. Until everything triggered security. Boots had to come off. Hoodie set off the scanner. Metal in the belt meant a full pat-down. Missed the gate by 5 minutes. All because of one outfit. Welcome to Jet Savvy, where we help you master the art of effortless travel. And yes, what you wear to the airport can completely change your travel experience. From speeding through TSA to avoiding unwanted attention. From staying comfortable in a cramped seat to actually scoring an upgrade. Your outfit makes a bigger difference than your carry-on. In this video, we're breaking down the travel clothes that quietly ruin your comfort and how to dress smarter without sacrificing style. Let's start with your feet. You're late. TSA line is crawling. You finally reach the front. Now you're bent over, fighting with a pair of lace-up boots while everyone behind you is staring holes into your back. Shoes matter. High boots, chunky soles, zip-ups, buckles, metallic details. All of it slows you down. Or worse, sets off alarms and gets you flagged. Even sneakers with lots of laces can turn you into a bottleneck. And don't think flip-flops or flimsy sandals are any better. They come off fast, but try sprinting across tile when your gait changes. One bad step and you're on the floor. Or in a bathroom, on wet tile, with one foot exposed. Not a great way to start your trip. Also, your feet swell in the air. A snug shoe on the ground turns into a vice grip mid-flight. In an emergency, you want grip and support, not laces to trip over or slides that fly off. So what's the play? Slip-on sneakers, lightweight runners, shoes with real traction and zero fuss, easy to remove at TSA, fast to put back on, and built for whatever chaos your layover throws at you. Now, let's talk socks. Because once those shoes are off, it's just you and that floor. Cold, hard, questionably clean tile. If you skipped socks, that's your problem now. Always wear socks through security. Period. But don't just grab any pair. Look for comfort and performance. Compression socks are a smart choice for flights longer than 2 hours. They boost circulation, reduce swelling, and lower your risk of blood clots. And when you kick your shoes off mid-flight, and you will, a clean pair of socks feels amazing. Pack extras in your carry-on. You'll thank yourself halfway through that 8-hour haul. Let's move up to pants. Shorts seem like a good idea, until the cabin turns into a meat locker. If you've spent a red-eye with freezing air blasting your knees, you already know. Stick with pants. Every time. But not jeans. Not tight slacks. Not anything stiff. Think joggers. Travel chinos. Stretchy fabrics. Loose waistbands. Because your body swells in the air, tight pants only make it worse. And leggings? They're comfy, but there's a safety concern. Most are made from synthetic materials. In the event of a fire or emergency, those can melt and stick to your skin. Natural fabrics like cotton or wool are safer and more breathable. They also help regulate temperature and moisture. Avoid wide leg cuts. They drag on floors, get caught in escalators, and collect grime from airport bathrooms. Tapered or slim cuts stay out of the way and look cleaner. Now let's address a major rookie mistake. Jumpsuits and rompers. Looks great in the mirror. Total nightmare at 35,000 feet. You'll regret it the moment you have to nearly undress in a tiny airplane bathroom. Next layer. Underwear. Get this wrong, and your entire flight becomes uncomfortable. Dry cabin air. Long hours sitting. No room to shift. Now add underwear that's tight, traps heat, or holds sweat. That's a recipe for misery. Avoid synthetic lace or shapewear. Save it for the hotel. Go with breathable, moisture-wicking materials like cotton, merino wool, or technical microfiber. Brands like Uniqlo Airism, Icebreaker Merino, or The White Company have great options. Also, consider sizing up. Your waist and hips will swell during long flights. What feels great in the morning may dig in hard by hour 3. And always bring a spare pair in your carry-on. You may not need it until you really do. Now zoom out. Let's talk layers. Planes are inconsistent. One seat is freezing. The next is an oven. Lounge too warm. Gate area too cold. The solution? Layers. A base t-shirt. A lightweight sweater or hoodie. A travel jacket. You can adjust as needed without wrestling bulky gear. And that jacket? Choose one with real pockets. Deep, zippered storage for chargers, passport, wallet, even your phone or battery brick. It won't save you from security checks, but it can offload your carry-on just enough to dodge those weight limit confrontations. Keep your pockets organized so you can unload quickly at TSA. Color matters too. Dark, neutral tones hide spills, stay presentable, and wrinkle less. And yes, how you dress affects how you're treated. Multiple travelers have noticed better treatment when they dress neatly. We're talking clean sneakers, basic polo, maybe even a jacket. Fewer questions at security. Easier immigration checks. Better customer service. One traveler was even mistaken for crew. No need to overdress. But being pulled together, that helps. Accessories. Go light. Small watch. Simple studs. No clunky jewelry. Skip the belt if you can. Or use a fabric one that won't set off alarms. Metal accessories only slow you down. TSA scanners don't care about your personal style. Put metal items in a pouch before you reach security. Smart move. A small zip bag just for your accessories. Pro tip. Fabric belts like Patagonia's friction belt slide right through without a beep. Got medical devices? Tell TSA up front. Don't make them guess. Carry a TSA notification card. It can save you 15 minutes and an awkward explanation. Check rules in advance. Heathrow might be relaxed. Singapore, not so much. Flight outfits that fall apart? Let's go there. Clothes that hold odors. Synthetics like polyester trap sweat and stink by hour 4. Avoid fussy fits. Tight bands. Awkward seams. Collars that dig into your neck. If you're adjusting your outfit more than your seatbelt, you packed wrong. Same goes for dramatic styles. Ultra-edgy looks can attract extra screening. Combat boots. Graphic tees. Studded jackets. You might love the vibe, but security might love flagging you for random checks. One traveler dressed down, neutral joggers, basic hoodie, and suddenly stopped getting searched. Coincidence? Maybe, but worth noting. Oh, and shorts again? Just don't. Between frigid cabins and questionable seat cleanliness, your legs deserve protection. Also, your seatmate doesn't want to rub knees with you. Even if you're not touching, exposed skin in tight quarters gets noticed. That's real feedback from flyers, not just opinion. Bottom line, if your outfit can't survive a delay, a middle seat, or an emergency evacuation, don't wear it. Dress in a way that keeps you comfortable, functional, and respectful of the space you're in. Because how you travel says a lot. You've got the joggers, the socks, the layers. What about your accessories? Even an AirTag in the wrong place can trigger a delay. A guy once had his carry-on flagged because of an AirTag buried in his jacket pocket. He missed coffee, lost time, and got the full bag search. All avoidable. Metal-free, simple accessories win every time. So let's wrap it up. Air travel is unpredictable. Delays, turbulence, long lines. But what you wear, that's in your control. Dress with intention, and you'll move smarter, feel better, and breeze through the chaos with confidence. Think of it as flight insurance you don't have to pay for. Got a travel outfit that saved your sanity? Or one that absolutely failed? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your worst and best. And if this helped you rethink how to dress for the airport, do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and stick around Jet Savvy for more ways to master the art of effortless travel. Safe travels out there.